What if I told you? You could build a fully functional customer support AI, not in weeks, not in days, but in under 1 minute. You don't need a dev team. You don't need to write the logic. You just need this workflow. Step 1. Use Grok 3. Open Grok 3, paste in your support documentation, then tell it, create an agent team for live support. That's it. Step 2. Watch it work. Grok instantly builds structured agent roles, defined logic paths, connected tools and APIs, and production-ready code on the spot. It's not just generating a chatbot, it's designing an entire customer support system. Step 3. Deploy it in Replit. Take that code, drop it into Replit, run it, test it, deploy it. All from your browser, no setup, no servers, no nonsense. AI isn't replacing customer support, it's replacing the way we build customer support. So if you're still Googling how to build a customer support chatbot, stop. Start here instead. If this blew your mind, hit like, drop a comment, and subscribe. Because the future of software isn't built by hand anymore, it's built by prompts, and we're just getting started.